Hello guys, I hope you all doing well. So in this video I'll show you that is IQ option a scam or not. Basically I've been reviewing so many websites regarding IQ option that claim that IQ option is a scam, they don't give money. I have been reviewing the Facebook page of IQ option, the comments of the people, the feedback of the people, that they mostly of the people claim that they don't give withdraw. So basically in this video I'm trying to verify IQ option. I have given a valid payment proof in this video. Please don't skip my video. And I have blurred some part of the video due to privacy issues, so I cannot show you that. I hope you all understand that. Anyway guys, in this video you will get your feedback, the actual feedback regarding IQ option. So kindly, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, so that you can get more videos, more reviews on these kind of websites, applications or whatever. So that's all from my side. Now let's move towards the video. Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you that can you take withdrawal from IQ option. Is it possible? Like I've been hearing from people that IQ option is a scam, so we need to make sure that can we take withdrawal from IQ option or not. Well, this is my first withdrawal and I'm gonna go through the procedures. So first, basically I just messaged them. As you can see that they respond me before, but since yesterday they didn't respond me. So I'm gonna check like if they are going to process my first withdrawal inside my bank account. Is it possible? Let's see. So as you can see that my account is fully verified, and this is the green tick. Now I'll go back, I'll click on the withdraw funds option. After clicking on the withdraw funds option, I'm gonna show you that my time and the date. This is the actual time and this is the date, okay? And how much cash I have $17. So I'm just checking this out, so I'll just withdraw $3 from this so that we can make sure. But what are the requirements? I will show you that my bank card is also verified. So how can I check this? As you can see that a photo of your ID card already verified, this green tick shows. If you use a bank card for depositing, I'll show you over here, my bank card is also verified. So I'm just showing you this is my first withdrawal from IQ option. Let's see if they are gonna give me or not. So as you can see that this is verified, this is the card and it is verified. So let's process it. $3 I want. I'll click on this. My amount reduced to $14.9. As you can see that I had now 14.90. So how to trace this after, how to check this out, like this is the transaction history page, and I just opened it. Like as you can see that I have deposit cash. Now I'm just checking this out, like it says that status completed, but I gotta check this out that how long it will take. So let me check if I have got any email from their side or not. I gotta look the email. It says that my request, your withdrawal request has been processed and a total amount has been withdrawn from your funds will be divided as indicated on your withdrawal request. So they, according to them, that my request has been processed and now they will indicate it. So guys, what I am over here to show you that, like, they look this, they have claimed that fund has been sent. So I got a look on this. I'll check. I'll make a video once I receive any SMS from their side to ensure that I have received my money. I'll show you the proof of my bank details as well. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. So guys, this is the payment proof of IQOPTION. As you can see that this is the payment proof of April 2020, 1st April 2020. Okay, and go back, and this is the recent payment proof. As you can see, 7 April 2020. This is the payment proof of IQOPTION. Another, I will show you another it will be, so I'm just showing you that this is just when I paid them $10. As you can see, 464577000045, some that account number, and from which they paid me back. I'll show you now. You can see 162 rupees 46500452798. So this is the payment proof of the IQ account, and IQOPTION is a valid service. It's not a scam, so kindly avoid the rumors, as I have tested them and they are 100% valid. You can start working with them.